This video is for complete beginners and I will show you step by step how to trade on LBank in 2025. If you are already an experienced trader, you can turn off this video. This video is not for you. This video is only for beginners. So if you are aware of it, we can start. So the first thing that you need to do is register with my link, which is in the description of this video. And thanks to that, you can get bonuses and you get basically cheaper trading. Simply you have discounts on trading. So what you need to do is go in the description of this video and you will see the link to LBank. This is going to give you, as I said, bonuses, and basically you will get more benefits out of your trading. So the second step that you need to do is, of course, you need to deposit crypto because you're willing to trade crypto, so you need to deposit crypto. If you already have crypto bought somewhere else, you can simply go into your wallet here, click deposit. You will have your wallet address and you can send it to your LBank account. If you don't have it yet, you can simply go in here in this section, buy crypto, one click buy with multiple fiat currencies, or you can do fiat deposit. Those are the methods if you don't have your crypto yet. And that was the step number 2. Now the step number 3 is, as you can see, we are on the main dashboard, and step number 3 is trading. First of all, you have these sections here, okay? You have markets, trade, futures, copy trading, earn, and bonus center. Okay, bonus center, you can take care of it after registering and after doing some activities. You have bonuses on the platform, like claiming free funds for trading, claiming discounts, etc., etc. Another thing is the earn section. We're not going to speak about this in this video. Copy trading, we're not going to speak about this in this video. In this video, we're focusing on futures. And as you can see in this section, you have futures, dual, leaderboard, battle, and futures. We're going to focus on futures, so let's click on that. And as you can see, we have the main dashboard here, and this is the trading dashboard. This is where you're going to trade. This might look very complicated to you if you look at it for the first time, but actually it is very, very simple. So as you can see here, this is the main dashboard. Here, what you're going to do is simply choose what you want to trade. Let's say you want to trade Bitcoin. You go here in the search box, you put Bitcoin. If you want to trade Ethereum, you put Ethereum, etc., etc. You have multiple hundreds of coins on LBank. Another thing is the details sections in the data section, which is right here where I'm showing you now. And this is the section that shows you all the details regarding this pair. So that shows you the latest price, as you can see, $95,000, the market price, the funding, 24-hour highest price, 24-hour lowest price, 24-hour volume, which is right now $1.2 billion, 24-hour volume in Bitcoin, and number of positions in Bitcoin. Another section is this one that shows you multiple options for the chart view. So simply 1 minute means one candle is 1 minute. 3 minutes means one candle is 3 minutes. And candle is simply what you see on the chart. 15 minutes means one candle is 15 minutes, etc., etc. It really now depends how you want to trade. You need to adjust that to your trading. If you are trading very short term on a daily basis, you're looking into smaller time frames, so like 5 minutes, where one candle is 5 minutes. This is the order book where it shows you the latest prices for sells and for buys. When you already know about the chart section, we can go into opening trade section. This is the trade section. This is where the section where you open your trades. Now you have 2 different margin modes, as you can see in this section, which are isolated or cross mode. In most cases, and especially if you're just starting, I would recommend isolated mode. And the difference is that in isolated mode, if you get liquidated, it can only take USDT from your trading account. It can't take the other funds. That's why I would recommend that one. This is the leverage section. If you are just starting, I would recommend smaller leverage. Start with something like 3x, 5x. If you have zero experience, start with spot trading. But if you want to start with 5x, only later you can go 10, maybe 15. Anything over that is very, very, very risky. So do your own research, and remember, this video is not a financial advice. It's for entertaining purposes only. As you can see here, you can open or close positions. You can open long position or short. You can open limit or market orders. This is what you're gonna use most of the time. When it comes to limit orders and market order, the only difference is that when you're opening limit order, you can set up a specific price on Bitcoin where you want your position to be opened. So let's say that you want to open a position on Bitcoin, but only at the price of $94,000, because current price is $95,000. Then you put this price, then you simply put, let's say, 50% of your wallet for the position. You click open long, confirm, and now in open orders, as you can see that your position has been opened. It's a limit order, open long, and when the price gets into $94,000, the position will be automatically opened. But if you want to open the position right now, you should be interested in the market order. If I'm fine with the price, if I think the price is going to go up, we can simply set up the market order, and market order means that the position will be opened immediately. So you'll immediately open a position. This section is take profit and stop loss. Let's say that I want to have a take profit at 95,500 and stop loss at 94,500. And this is simply to secure your money and secure your position, because if the price goes into $94,500, your position will be automatically closed. If the price goes into 95,500, your position will take profit and also automatically close. Now we can confirm and open the position, and just to show you how that works, you can also track that and check your take profit and adjust it if you want. Here in this section of open orders, you can also track it here that it's, as you can see, already in $0.48 profit. This is the position size, entry price, mark price, margin, and the position evaluated in Bitcoin. As you can see, you can also manage the position here. If you click, let's say 1 minute, you can see also that your entry level, you can see the chart closer, and this is where the magic happens. If you want to close your position, if let's say you want to take your profits, you simply click here MKT close, which is market close, and we're gonna close it. Everything, as you can see, is been closed, and that's it. The position was only to show you. That was, in the simplest possible way, the beginner's tutorial on how to trade on L Bank. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.